Evolution of Neolithic Tools, Ringstone, Grindstone, Celt Adze. UGC Net Anthropology. Unit 5. Part 5.10. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC Net Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Stay tuned till the end. We'll wrap up with a clear, exam-ready summary table comparing Ringstone, Grindstone, Celt Adze. Neolithic Age overview. Time period, around 8,000 BCE, 3,000 BCE, varies regionally. Key traits. Shift from hunting, gathering, agriculture, village life. Polished stone tools replaced rough Paleolithic ones. Tools became more specialized, symmetrical, and durable. Discovery of pottery, weaving, and domestication of animals. 1. Ringstone. Definition. A ringstone is a circular or donut-shaped stone artifact with a central hole belonging to the Neolithic period. Features. Made from hard stones such as basalt or granite. Smoothly polished and symmetrical. Central perforation, circular hole, made by pecking and grinding. Varying diameters, generally 10 to 25 centimeters. Found in agricultural and habitation sites. Possible uses. Weight for digging sticks or plow shafts, agricultural tool. Net sinkers or weights for weaving looms. Sometimes interpreted as ritual objects or status symbols. Exam points. Found at sites like Burzaham, Kashmir, and Chirand, Bihar. Shows advance in stone drilling and polishing. Functional plus symbolic role transition from purely utilitarian to ritual use. 2. Grindstone. Definition. A grindstone is a flat or slightly concave stone slab used for grinding grains, seeds, or polishing tools during the Neolithic period. Features. Usually a pair, upper, handheld rubber or muller and lower, stationary slab. Made of coarse-grained stone like sandstone. Smooth upper surface due to frequent rubbing. Marks of abrasion or where visible. Uses. Grinding cereals, preparation of flour, evidence of agriculture. Polishing stone tools, axes, Celt Adze. Processing plant materials or pigments, possibly for pottery decoration. Exam points. Indicates sedentary lifestyle and food production economy. Found at Murgar, Burzaham, Belin Valley, Chirand. Symbol of technological innovation in food processing. 3. Celt. Definition. A celt is a polished, ground stone axe-like tool with a tapering or pointed edge, commonly used during the Neolithic Age. Features. Made of hard igneous or metamorphic rocks like basalt, dolerite. Finely polished and symmetrical. Cutting edge sharpened by grinding. Some are shouldered or flanged for hafting onto wooden handles. Varied sizes, small celts for cutting plants to large for felling trees. Uses: agricultural implement, clearing forests, tilling soil. Tool and weapon, chopping wood, hunting. Ceremonial or prestige object found in burials. Exam points. Most characteristic Neolithic tool. Found at Tekelkota, Maski, Chirand, and Brahmagiri. Represents advancement from rough Paleolithic hand axe to polished, efficient tool. Sometimes made of jadeite or nephrite, ritual use. 4. Adze. Definition. An adze is a cutting tool similar to an axe, but with the blade set at a right angle, 90 degrees, to the handle. Features: flat, polished stone blade. Blade edge broad and transverse, unlike axe, which has vertical edge. Fitted into a wooden handle via lashing or socketing. Compact and durable, usually smaller than celts. Uses: woodworking tool, shaping wooden implements, smoothing surfaces. Possibly used in canoe making and construction of huts. Reflects refined craftsmanship. Exam points. Found at Burzaham, Chirand, and Picklehole. Indicates wood-based architecture and toolmaking. Shows adaptation to new lifestyle needs, agriculture, settlement. Summary table. Tool definition key features, main uses example sites. Ringstone circular stone with central hole polished, perforated weight or ritual object Burzaham, Chirand. Grindstone flat stone for grinding pair of stones, smooth surface grinding grains, polishing Murgar, Bellin Valley. Kelp polished stone axe symmetrical, sharpened edge cutting, agriculture, ritual Tekelkota, Maski, Brahmagiri. Adze axe-like tool with horizontal blade transverse edge, hafted woodworking, canoe making Burzaham, Picklehole. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.